experiencing glitches with your Hyundai Creta's infotainment system? A quick reboot or factory reset can often resolve issues like freezing, lag, or an unresponsive touchscreen. First, let's try a reboot. Simply hold the power button on the touchscreen for 5 to 10 seconds until the system shuts down and restarts. This clears temporary memory without erasing your data and is the first line of defense for minor problems. If the issue persists, a factory reset may be necessary. Be warned, this will erase all your saved data, so back up anything important first using the Blue Link app if possible. Access the factory reset option through Settings, General, Factory Reset. You'll likely need to confirm your choice and enter a PIN for security. A factory reset restores the system to its original state and should only be used for persistent problems. If your Hyundai Creta's touchscreen is unresponsive or has calibration errors, there are specific fixes you can try. First, attempt a reboot as described earlier. If that doesn't work, look for touchscreen calibration in the Settings menu. For older models, try a physical reset by pressing volume and power buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. Keep your infotainment system running smoothly by ensuring you have the latest software updates. Hyundai releases over-the-air updates that often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Check for updates in the vehicle's settings menu or through the Hyundai app. Remember, resets are software fixes and won't resolve hardware issues. If problems persist, consult a professional.